Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The assignment of Jar Majroor. Oh, you have to find out the harf of Jar here. And what are the harf of Jars? Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, min, fi, an, ala, atta, hila, ila. So if you know this, that's enough. That means if you have this and next word is Jar, that means that is a Jar Majroor. Okay? Harf of Jar and its fragment. Okay. First one is bil hakki. Bil hakki. Ba, ta, kaf, lam. First one, ba. And check the next word is jar. Hakki is jar. Yes. So this is a jar majroor. And second one is kasfin maukulin. Kasfin maukulin. Kasfin. Kasfin. Ba ta kaf. That is the kaf here. That kaf is this one. Kasfin. Because of ka, asfin become jar. Okay. Asfin maukulin we already learned. That is mausul sifa. But kasfin is jar majroor. Okay. Bihamdi rabbika. Bihamdi rabbika. B ba ta kaf lam waw, the first one B. Because of B, hamdi, ham become hamdi, bi hamdi. Okay, and rabbika is mudaf mudaf ilay. Bi hamdi is the jar majroor. Bi hijaratin, again bi hijaratin, because of B it become hijaratin. And min sijilin, min, ba ta kaf lam waw, min. So min is a harf of jar, so that's why sijilin it become jar. This all are in Quran. So now you will start to see all these jar, majroos, mudaf, mudafile in Quran. It's going to be interesting. At least if you don't know the meaning, at least you can say, ah, I see a jar, majroor, I see a mudaf, mudafile. That's more than enough at this stage. Okay, likulli umazatin. Likulli umazatin. See, kulli is a special mudaf. That's why umazatin become um, Muzatin become jar. Okay, and even kulli, because of li, bata kaf lam, that lam is this li, and the kullu, it can be kullu also, right? It become kulli because of li. Min khawfin, min bata kaf lam waw, min fi an ala tahila, ala tahila. So min khawfin, because of min, the khawf become khawfin. Fi jidiha, fi is ba ta kaf lam waw, min fi, that fi is this. So because of fi it becomes gd, it becomes jar. Fi dinillahi, fi, because of fi, dini become deen become dini, it becomes jar. Okay. The next one is fi hamadim mumaddadatin, because of fi, amadun become amadin. Ala ta'ami, because of ala, ta'am become ta'ami. Wamin sharri, because of min, it becomes sharri, it becomes jar. Because of ma'a, ma'al usri, because of ma'a, usr become usri, it becomes jar. And number 13, bi ashabi, because of bi, ashab become ashabi. Okay, it becomes jar. Li rabbi, see, because of li, bata kam flam, li, it become rabb become rabbi. Okay, rabbika is mudaf mudaf ilayh. So here li rabbika you have mudaf mudaf ilayh and jar majrur both. One sentence can have multiple grammar rules, but what we are learning is jar majrur. Bata ka flam wa min fi an ala tahila. Number 15, matla il fajri. See fajri. So how it become fajri? Because of matlai, but matlai is mudaf mudaf ilayh. There is no jar majrur here. Okay, because of mudaf ilayh, fajri become jar. Man auta, man auta. Auta, if you see, it can be rafa nasab jar, anything. But but man is not a harf of jar. Remember, this is the place most of the people are getting confused. They write man as a harf of jar. Some people, like after man they see a nasib and say, how come because of man you said it has to be jar, now it is become nasib. So many complaints came. Okay, most of the students complain, how come after man it is becoming nasib, or sometimes you can see rafa as well. But the point is, what we learn in harf of jar is ba ta kaf lam waw min, not man. Okay, min from, man mean who. Two completely two different words, and often get confused words. So don't get confused, you guys don't get confused. So if you see man, it is different, it is not a harf of jar. But if you see min, it is harf of jar. So that's the idea. So it's a very easy exercise. If you have to memorize that chart, meaning we learn when you are doing the Quran, but at least memorize the chart. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.